How to apply Apple Intelligence for iPhone 15. Apple's intelligence features like AI and machine learning are already integrated into the iPhone 15 through various built in features. And here is how you can apply and use it. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside the Settings app, simply tap on the General option available there. And once inside the General, tap on the Software Update and update it to the latest version. Make sure that you are up to date to the latest version of the iOS because Apple Intelligence belong to the latest version of the iOS. So now, after you have updated it, go back to the settings again and scroll down, and there you will get to see Apple Intelligence option available on your screen. Now here, all you have to do is tap on the Apple Intelligence and CD option available there. And once inside the Apple Intelligence and Siri, you can see toggle switch option available there. If it is turned off, then simply turn the Apple Intelligence on. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.